I'm not doing any discovery calls, and neither should you. What is a discovery call? Discovery call, basically the idea is that you have a 15-20 minutes call. It's usually for free, and people could get like a feeling for how it's working with you, if they like your voice. Give them a little bit of teaser, and you can explain to them how you work with them. And it's bullshit. It's two people coming to a conversation with two different agendas which are mutually exclusive to each other. One person is trying to hold back information. It's like the consultant, the coach, the trainer, the expert, whatever you want to call it. The person who wants to sell you something. So they don't want to give you the secret in that moment for free. They want to hold that back. They have an incentive to hold something back because their motivation is to sell something. So this creates a really awkward situation where the other person who wants to get a feeling is getting a feeling. This person is kind of holding something back. So they're getting the wrong impression. Then the other person, they want to get a feeling for you. They probably want to get some free consultation from you. So they are also in a situation where they don't really value whatever you give them because it's free. If it's free and there is no investment, the other person has no incentive to pay attention to. They don't really need to. They don't even need to show up. It doesn't matter. Like they don't have any disadvantage if they don't show up, and they don't take your words seriously if they didn't pay for them. So what I do is I have 30 minutes initial strategy consulting. It's £79. And during that time, I can give away as much as I can humanly do. I don't have any incentive to hold back. And I'm just doing whatever I do best. I'm helping people to solve their marketing problems. And this is really, people get a real feeling. And it's a really low commitment, £79. You can get a taste how it would be to work with me. And if you can't afford this, you wouldn't be a good client to me anyway. Like if that's like really a pain point, £79, there is no point in us having a free consulting. There would be no point in having a free discovery call anyway, because then you wouldn't be able to afford my services anyway. So it's a low commitment, low risk. If you don't like my recommendations, 79 gone. But you didn't have to invest a lot of time to find this out. You didn't have to invest a ton of time, like learning this after like a big proposal. You can get it right away after 30 minutes. And to me, I really don't have to monitor my thoughts. I don't have to think about selling. I don't have to sell at all. I can just show you this is what you can do. First step, second step, third step, execution. And if you like my style, we can have more calls in the future. If you don't, so be it. Like I'm happy with it, but I'm not wasting my time. And if you're committed with the investment, you also make sure that you respect my time and you show up on this particular call. Because in the past, when I was less experienced, I did free discovery call, and sometimes people didn't show up. They schedule this in my system. I block out the time. I find a location where I can have the video call, and then they don't show up. And I didn't even receive like an apology email later. But as soon as you start charging for your time, you suddenly get 99% show-up rates. So this is also very beneficial, as you can see, for not wasting any time for you or the person calling you. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Do you think discovery calls have their place? Do you do yours for free, or do you consider charging for them? If you like this video, follow me for more marketing and LinkedIn strategy videos here on LinkedIn.